Do you remember Ash, the Australian boy who was the new neighbor? Okay, now he's at his first day at school. He is new at school. So we're going to read and watch the story of his first day at school. But first, how many school words can you find in the story? Have a look at the words and let's mark words that are school words. Class, school office, lessons. All these are words related to school. Science lab, science, subject, canteen. It's a place at school. Dinner ladies. Head teacher. That is a person at school, and a dinner lady is a person at school too. Okay, let's go on reading. We are marking the words, okay? Did you find any other word? Yes, music room. Music. Primary school. These are words related to school. ICT. Classroom. Okay, those are the words we found. Now we are going to see the story.